step onto the 2010 Toyota Tundra 4WD truck base. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: tow hitch, 4-wheel drive, tow hooks, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, steel wheels, MP3 player, auxiliary audio input, split bench seat and adjustable steering wheel. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.